Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to hold within our key area of support between the 1.37 and the 1.211, and at the time of this recording we are also holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue pushing higher. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and I'm expecting a breakout in the next coming hours in an impulsive Elliot wave count 3. And on today's video, I will be discussing the minimum breakout target areas, the most significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, where I still expect more than a 10x in this bull market. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We first peaked to the upside in an impulsive wave 1, giving us a high above the 1.656 USDT. And after we peaked in this wave 1, we started a pullback to the lower side in an Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming hours we are going to see a reaction to the upside, starting an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 2.07 USDT. And that is a target area that I will be expecting Fetch AI to fully maximize. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in an impulsive Elliot wave count 5. And this Elliot wave structure that I have on the charts in blue, this impulse will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 3 that is better seen if I zoom out on the charts, where you can see that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we first peaked to the upside in an impulsive 5 wave move over here, giving us a high above the 1.74, completing the formation of an even larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a pullback to the lower side in a wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we fully maximized, and also gave us a reaction to the upside in what I believe is the start of an even larger Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 2.78 USDT, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming weeks or maybe days. So that is the short-term price prediction analysis. Jumping to the daily chart, I still maintain that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive move to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a pullback to the lower side in the formation of these wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we fully maximized. And after we fully maximize the target area, I'm expecting that in the next coming days we are going to see a reaction of this target area in an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $6. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.